Sometimes it almost feels like we're trying to mimic what the Western cultures are doing.
APAC is the place for innovation, and it's where everything that's new is happening.
But technology and innovation in advertising isn't, in my opinion, at the same level as the innovation that's coming from, startups and these technology powerhouses like Gojek, companies like WeChat.
I think some of the key challenges for creatives now are they feel overwhelmed by just how much is actually available.
Maybe the industry have gone too far down the spectrum of data and technology.
It might come from a fixation on results. Performance is overshadowing some of that brand building stuff.
I think a lot of the times we're evaluating technology and trying to see if we have a way of using it before we actually figure out the idea.
Technology used to be seen as a bit of a threat. It's now seen as an underlying hygiene factor.
And what technology does is give us so many ways to just get closer to people.
If you land a great idea that has the core understanding of how this tech might work, there's plenty of partners that can help you execute from there.
The pressure on us is you really have to absorb and learn quickly and then move on to the next thing. There isn't a lot of time to become a master of things.
To me, the best use cases of technology are when the technology is almost out of the way. It's magically just disappeared.
One of the opportunities, rather, that Asia has is to use technology to enhance stories which have emotion very much at the core and purpose when it comes to brands.
There are some incredible stories in this region that just aren't being told.
We don't seem to leverage our deep roots in the artistic flair that we have, and sometimes it almost feels like we're trying to mimic what the Western cultures are doing. We have to go back to our roots. There's something inherently unique about each of these countries, and I don't think we've leveraged it in advertising.